Hello guys, it's been a while now. I've not been posting, and today I'm back with another awesome tutorial. I just went on a little break to have some time to rest. So I'm back fully active. And today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to restart your iPhone without the power button. If you heard me right, is your iPhone button not working? No worries. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how to restart any iPhone without using the button. Whether your power button is broken, unresponsive, or you just prefer a faster method, this trick works on all iPhone running iOS 15, iOS 16, iOS 17, and iOS 18. For in this video, you will learn how to restart your iPhone without the power button, the hidden iPhone settings that lets you restart instantly, how to use AssistiveTouch to shut down and reboot works for iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and more. So without further notice, let's jump straight into my phone screen whilst I demonstrate how to go about that real quick. So for the first time, what you have to do, click on our settings. After clicking on the settings, you have to search for accessibility, and here is mine. Let's click over there real quick. After clicking on the accessibility, what you have to search for next is the touch, which is up here under the fiscal and moto. So let's click down there real quick. Over here, what you have to do next, you see this AssistiveTouch, you have to click on it once. So over here we have to toggle it on. When we toggle it on, you can see a little pop-up which are moving here and there. Okay, so for this, let's choose the custom action for this little settings over here. Let's go with the double tap. So let me click over there real quick, and then with the double tap we have to look all the way down for restart. So let's click there real quick. After clicking there, you have to go back, and then let's demonstrate how it works. Over here, this is how it's going to work. Instead of pressing the power button, we are not going to do that, but rather we are going to be making use of this button that we are moving here. We just have to double tap because that was the option we selected from the list. So let's double tap and see what happened next. Okay, are you sure you want to restart your phone? So let's click on the restart, and that's how the phone will go off. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if this video helped you. Tell me which iPhone model you are using. Thank you. Bye bye.